Während wir uns dem Jahr 2026 nähern, hat sich das Umfeld für den Aufbau von einkommensgenerierenden KI-Anwendungen dramatisch verändert. Rasante Fortschritte in der künstlichen Intelligenz haben eine Fülle von Möglichkeiten in verschiedenen Branchen eröffnet, wodurch es für Einzelpersonen einfacher denn je wird, Technologie für finanzielles Wachstum zu nutzen. Von der Inhaltserstellung und Automatisierung bis hin zur Entwicklung digitaler Produkte und Sicherheitsdienstleistungen gestalten KI-Tools die Art und Weise, wie Menschen Einnahmen erzielen, neu. Egal, ob Sie ein erfahrener Profi sind oder gerade erst anfangen, die Integration von KI bietet skalierbare und zugängliche Wege, um mehrere Einkommensströme aufzubauen. Dieses dynamische Umfeld schafft die Grundlage für innovative Unternehmungen und nachhaltigen Erfolg in der digitalen Wirtschaft.
AI content creation services have become increasingly popular, offering efficient solutions for businesses in need of fresh and engaging material. With advanced AI tools, individuals can produce high-quality blog posts, SEO articles, social media captions, and compelling product descriptions tailored to specific audiences. The earning potential varies based on content type and length, with short pieces typically bringing in $10 to $25, medium-length articles earning $25 to $75, and long-form SEO articles commanding $100 to $150 per piece. This flexibility allows content creators to scale their income by managing multiple projects simultaneously. As demand for digital content continues to grow, AI-powered services present a practical and profitable opportunity. AI video creation for social media has become a powerful tool for content creators and businesses alike. With advanced AI platforms, users can easily produce motivational videos, trending reels, and dynamic text animations that capture audience attention. These technologies streamline the editing process and allow for rapid experimentation with different formats and styles. Earnings from AI-generated video batches typically range from $50 to $100 per set of 10. While personal channels leveraging these videos can potentially generate up to $2,000 per month. As demand for engaging short-form content continues to grow, AI video creation offers both creative flexibility and promising financial returns. AI-powered graphic design services have become essential for boosting online engagement. With advanced tools, individuals can efficiently create eye-catching thumbnails, banners, posters, and logos tailored to various platforms and audiences. These AI solutions streamline the design process, allowing for rapid prototyping and customization without the need for extensive technical skills. As visual content continues to play a crucial role in digital marketing and branding, leveraging AI in graphic design opens up new opportunities for both freelancers and businesses. The ability to deliver professional quality visuals quickly makes these services highly sought after in today's competitive online landscape. AI virtual assistant services have become increasingly popular, allowing individuals to automate and streamline routine business tasks. By leveraging advanced AI tools, you can efficiently manage emails, schedule appointments, generate detailed reports, and conduct thorough research for clients. These services not only save time, but also enhance productivity for businesses of all sizes. The scope of work can be tailored to each client's needs, ranging from simple administrative support to complex data analysis. Depending on the range and depth of services provided, monthly earnings can vary from $500 to $3,000 per client. AI technology is transforming the freelancing landscape, making it easier for professionals to deliver high-quality services in copywriting, editing, graphic design, and programming. By integrating AI tools, freelancers can streamline their workflows, produce more polished results, and meet client demands more efficiently. Hourly rates for AI-enhanced freelancing typically start at $15 to $30, with the potential to scale up to $50 or even $100 per hour within 6 months as expertise and client base grow. This approach not only increases earning potential, but also allows freelancers to expand their service offerings and remain competitive in a rapidly evolving market. AI automation and security services present substantial opportunities for individuals and agencies in 2026. Workflow automation allows businesses to streamline operations, reduce manual tasks, and improve overall efficiency by implementing intelligent AI solutions. In the realm of cybersecurity, AI-driven systems can detect and respond to threats more rapidly, offering advanced protection for sensitive data. Agencies specializing in these services can achieve impressive earnings, with monthly revenues ranging from $20,000 to $50,000 for automation projects and $40,000 to $80,000 for cybersecurity solutions. As demand for secure and efficient digital processes grows, these sectors are poised for continued expansion. Leveraging AI to create and sell digital courses has transformed the online education landscape. With advanced tools, individuals can streamline curriculum development, ensuring content is well-structured and engaging. AI-powered video production enables the creation of professional lessons, complete with avatars and automated narration, making high-quality courses accessible to everyone. Additionally, AI-driven marketing strategies help promote these courses effectively on platforms like Udemy and Skillshare, reaching wider audiences and maximizing earnings potential. This approach allows course creators to focus on delivering valuable knowledge, while AI handles much of the technical and promotional work. AI-powered idea generation services are transforming how businesses and individuals approach innovation and strategic planning. By leveraging advanced AI tools, service providers can offer tailored brainstorming sessions that yield fresh business concepts, effective marketing strategies, and comprehensive content plans for their clients. These services not only accelerate the creative process, but also ensure that ideas are data-driven and aligned with current market trends. As demand for innovative solutions grows, monetizing these AI-driven sessions presents a lucrative opportunity, with structured packages generating substantial monthly income for providers. Developing and selling AI-enhanced digital products offers a versatile way to generate income in today's digital landscape. Products such as ebooks, software applications, and design templates can be created more efficiently with the help of AI tools, allowing for rapid innovation and customization. Success in this area relies heavily on understanding market demand and maintaining high standards of product quality. By tailoring offerings to specific audiences and ensuring usability, creators can stand out in competitive marketplaces. This approach enables individuals to leverage technology for scalable and sustainable revenue streams. AI is transforming affiliate marketing by streamlining key processes such as content creation, SEO optimization, and performance analysis. With advanced AI tools, marketers can quickly generate high-quality reviews and promotional materials tailored to their target audience. These platforms also help optimize search engine rankings, ensuring that affiliate content reaches a wider audience. By analyzing performance data, AI enables marketers to refine their strategies and maximize commission-based earnings. This combination of automation and data-driven insights makes affiliate marketing more efficient and potentially more profitable than ever before. In summary, the rapid evolution of AI technologies is opening up a wide range of opportunities for generating income in 2026. From content creation and video production to automation, security, and digital product development, individuals can leverage AI tools to build multiple scalable income streams. Whether you are a freelancer, entrepreneur, or simply exploring new side hustles, the integration of AI into various sectors makes it easier than ever to start and grow profitable ventures. By staying informed and embracing these innovations, you can position yourself for success in the digital economy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and comment. Thank you for watching. Your engagement helps us continue to provide valuable insights and updates on the latest trends in AI-powered income opportunities. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more informative content in the future. Don't forget to like and comment below to let us know your thoughts and experiences.